stunning new EQS SUV raises desire to a whole new level. It's the first all-electric large luxury SUV from Mercedes EQ with room for up to 7 people. And we are absolutely thrilled to welcome this amazing car to our family.
You just heard about what it takes to be a real trailblazer. In the same vein, the EQS SUV really is the next iteration of our clear-cut strategy. We will build the world's most desirable electric cars. Wrapping some of the best EQS traits in an SUV package takes innovation even further into this segment. One example, efficiency. Tires and wheels account for a significant portion of drag. And unless cars finally learn how to fly, they're here to stay. So our engineers reduced drag through details such as aerocladding, spoilers, optimized tread patterns, and a closed, windproof spoke design. Even the innovative new running boards help reduce drag. All of these measures follow one basic mission: create a wind-tight sculpture that guides the air around it as smoothly as possible. The result is a 7-seater luxury SUV that can easily carry 4 golf bags in the trunk and still has more than enough electric range to be your long-distance companion. The EQS SUV also leads by example in the way it's built, with CO2-neutral production in our factories and a sustainable supply chain. That includes the battery manufactured at our brand new dedicated plant in the US. Digital technology has revolutionized our processes there, and it also has the potential to transform the world of art.
For this one-time project with Mercedes-Benz, we took inspiration from the EQS SUV. With data from the vehicle's research and development phase, we created thousands of digital images. We then use artificial intelligence to transform those images into data art. In other words, the data of the EQS SUV was the paint and the algorithm was the brush.
This translation of technology to art can also be applied to the automotive industry. That's why our second strategic focus is holistic digitalization and connectivity. You can call it digital luxury because it simply makes passengers' lives a lot easier. The most obvious example is the stunning MBUX hyperscreen with zero-layer technology, which shows only what you need to see at any given moment. The EQS SUV even has its own exclusive off-road mode, so every passenger can see the fun stuff like slope angles and inclination in real time. By the way, more and more markets now allow front seat passengers to watch movies while traveling because our technology makes it safe and non-distracting. Behind all of these useful features is one simple strategic principle. We want to lead in car software because we want the Mercedes to constantly learn. We also wanted to gain flexibility in catering to our customers' individual needs. Additional features can be unlocked as needed with over-the-air updates. And we have a lot more coming your way. What we have just seen truly captures the spirit of the EQS SUV. It redefines a whole segment and is the third vehicle on our new all-electric platform. It adds versatility to our EQ lineup with an attractive SUV package that customers around the world love. And it follows our strategy of making our vehicles more sustainable and more digital. in our ultimate quest of building the world's most desirable electric cars.
We can already see how our customers adore the EQS. They love its technology and its first-class comfort, with features like the MBUX Hyperscreen, rear axle steering, and its super quiet performance. When the EQS SUV comes to market in the second half of this year, it will fulfill all customer wishes and more. This is a diverse group with active lifestyles. For families, we offer a third row and rear seat entertainment. Adventurers have all the space and versatility they need for action. Tech fans who want an electric SUV driving experience have the ultimate choice. And for music lovers, the Dolby Atmos sound system brings audio perfection to a whole new level. On top of all that, the EQS SUV looks simply gorgeous. On the inside, we have exclusive materials such as the innovative hybrid trim. A pattern of tiny Mercedes-Benz stars made of aluminum is set into fine quality ashwood. With all of this, we believe the EQS SUV drives luxury and technology for our customers in this really important segment. And in doing so, it embodies the pioneering spirit of Mercedes-Benz.
For me, being a pioneer means doing something first or making something unique. Just as Mercedes is a pioneer in the automotive world, we consider ourselves a pioneer in digital art. At our studio, we create data paintings and data sculptures that reveal futuristic perspectives. Because technology can completely redefine how we see art.